Oh my gosh. No. Okay. So what's going on?
Alright, Buzz, start the game.
No.
No, change the map. Change the map.
Alright. I'm waiting for Black Ops 4 to buy anything anyways. Wait, you're level 12. What was all that small talk about you being the best at Black Ops and Zombies?
Yeah.
Dude, I barely play and I'm somehow level 11. Okay,
Whoa,
hold up.
whoa, profile.
Alright, I'll go to your profile. Hold up.
No, go to my in-game profile. Just go to the manage party. It's so easy. Then just click on me. Just press on my name.
View gamer card?
No, don't go to view gamer card.
Are you sure? I think that's where I check all your
Stats are right
stats.
there. My stats are right next to my calling card.
Alright. It says your prestige 0.000003. And your multiplayer is prestige 0.000000x x1000 and it says your campaign is literally 1. So I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a little confused.
You're looking at you.
No, dude, I'm prestige 3. What are you talking about?
You're prestige 11.
You're a noob. You were both noobs.
Oh,
I'm prestige. I'm like prestige 50.
That's what it looks like. You probably
Okay,
don't, but I do, because I prestige
you lost your
3
finger.
times.
You lost your
3
finger
times.
links. You lost your finger links. And
That's
your
you,
eyeball.
Scorpion.
No, that's your ding dong.
Oh my god. No, that's yours. No, wait a minute. You see that? See that on the light bulb? Yeah, that's yours.
Well, it's small.
That one's yours. Yeah, that's how big yours is.
No,
Yes, it is. Stop lying.
that's your mom's.
What the? It's impossible! Impossible!
You dishonor your lineage, German. Do you not care for the shame you bring upon your ancestors?
See?
Oh, it's been so long since I played zombies. It's been so long.
Have destroyed the very fabric of
It's so
space and
long
time.
since 1960s.
Don't worry.
It's been so long since 1960.
I don't mean to brag, but I'm kind of a beast mode player.
Guys, there's a zombie over here.
That's
Recommend.
round 15 from me.
Guys,
Alright,
oh
shit.
Zombie's not dying. Zombie's not dying.
Yeah. Alright, dude, sorry, I can't open the door. Lynx, I can't open the door. I just bought a gun.
Pass round
Zombie!
5 by yourself.
Lynx!
Zombie! I got the
Dude!
zombie!
Dude, oh my gosh, Lynx is down. Alright.
I'm leaving.
He just left.
Wait a minute. No.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just do something
He's
better. I'll just do
officially
something
a
better.
tryhard. We officially think
Dude.
he's a tryhard.
We're on wave 1. Oh my gosh. Dude, we're on wave 1. We're on wave 1 and you just left? Alright, I'll make an exception.
That.
You're the one who clearly got down.
Yeah, you're the one who clearly down.
Scorpion's the one that can't even tell a zombie from a player.
Yours, I know.
What are you talking about?
Glitchy.
So I take it the game was glitching?
Yes, the game was glitchy.
Alright, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe Scorpion had a lag switch or something. Who knows? Alright, Lynx. Alright, Lynx. Alright, Lynx.
Alright, Lynx. Are you gonna say anything else other than Lynx?
No, I'm playing Black Ops 2. I cannot deal with how bad you
No,
are.
come on,
I need to
Lynx.
get back into
You're the one who clearly died by yourself.
Out of it completely, and I'm just playing multiplayer. I need some Black Ops 2, okay?
Oh,
Literally
shoot.
the last good Call of Duty.
Wow, that's offensive to all the creators in Treyarch. Hold up.
Black Ops 3's multiplayer is cheap. The zombies was okay, I guess. I mean, how is it that every single gun can be good? Actually, even better than the Wonder Weapon.
Oh yeah, apparently Fortnite is still on Call of Duty's Thunder, right?
Yeah, it is.
It is? Oh my
Like I said,
gosh.
have fun getting banned.
Getting banned? Okay. Are you seriously going where I think you're going?
Yes, Bless, he's going in the glory hole. He's going
I'm pretty
where
sure when that
he's
happens.
going where no
I'm pretty sure when that
11-year-old
happens,
has ever gone before.
No, he's going where no other man is gone.
Scorpion will
No,
actually know what he's talking
he's
about.
going where another 11-year-old hasn't gone before.
What are you talking about?
A glory hole.
Wow,
You're
you're real smart.
You're the first 12-year-old to make contact.
Blessed hero. Did I tell
What do you want?
about that one kid?
What one kid? Remind me.
One kid.
Oh, wait a minute.
You mean the Tryhard in Call of Duty who got down on round 1 and he rage quitted?
Actually, the only reason that happened is because you're bad and my connection was horrible.
It was your
Oh,
fault.
really?
You weren't paying attention.
I don't care about that. I'm about to just play
attention.
Black Ops 2. Town and start around 15.
Only a wise pro would know to pay attention to all his surroundings.
Yes, it says the great Razal.
Get knife on everyone, you don't waste your ammo.
Second
This
of
is why I
all,
play solo, dude. Solo.
whoa, you're playing solo? Oh, whoa, you can.
No, Scorpion. He's playing Han Solo.
Well, yeah. he's
Oh
playing
my God.
Solo.
What is my sense, dude?
He got
Link,
gangbanged.
question.
He got gangbanged by Han Solo.
Why did your son kill you?
Because Link's banned him from having a life.
Yeah, he's all like, I'm tired of you.
Many histories. You may
Thinking
have
you own me,
destroyed the
even though you don't.
So come on, Lynx. Why'd you leave? It was literally round 1.
It was
Yeah.
round 1, and Scorpion didn't know how to play.
It was lagging. There was a zombie.
Dude, you literally just got down on the first wave, and then you made your rage quit. Take the L. Just take the L.
Didn't cover his window.
Just take the L, man.
Okay.
Just take the L. And it was round 1. You could have easily just knifed the zombies. Take the L.
He did. Scorpion didn't take care of the window.
Of course, it's Scorpion's fault.
My. Why did I even do that? Why did I even shoot?
Come on. Lynx, just take the L. Come on, man.
I don't take L's. I take W's.
Yeah, but I don't think that. Okay, unless you're the winner of Wave 0, I don't think you're gonna get any wins from that.
Excuse me, blessed hero. But what's your highest round in all of zombies?
My highest round, 935.
What?
935. That was my highest round.
No way. A level 11 cannot make it to 135.
I did.
You, level 12, you got your highest round was 0.
Scorpion.
Your highest round was 0. Congratulations. Do you feel accomplished?
Sorry,
in your
but
life?
my highest round is round 6.
Situation is familiar.
Do you feel
Oh, round
accomplished?
5? Scorpion, his highest round was round 5.
Back in the old
Whoa!
when zombies.
He got to round 5.
Congratulations!
My highest zombies was Black Ops 1 Kino round 50.
Your dad must be so proud.
I know, right?
So round
Sorry, but I can make it
5.
round 20 by myself. No gobble gum.
Oh, that's your next.
You made it to round 2 with no gobble gum? Dude, that is legit right there.
Yes.
That is
Really
legit.
I'm coming for both of you. You know that, right?
Oh, whoa. Are you threatening me?
All that back, apologize.
Is that a
What
threat?
do you think you're going
Do it
for?
again.
Don't make me call Microsoft on you.
Yeah.
In the future.
Yes, don't make me
Don't make me call Microsoft on you, Lynx. You know I'll do it. Cause guess what? My uncle works for Microsoft. So you better not.
Well, what are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna call them for?
Yeah, dude. You're bullying me on Xbox Live. My uncle works at Microsoft. I'll make sure
Make sure that what happens.
that you get banned for the rest of your life. And
You're gonna get a firm ban, huh?
I'll even I'll even ask him if I can get your mom on a date with me. Maybe I'll be lucky.
Oh my god. You are so dumb.
Hey,
Maybe the one kid. Lynx, you know that one kid? You know the one kid who said, "Hey man, I'm here to steal your girl."
oh yeah, Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Yeah, the one that I beat up.
That's what your mom said last night.
Oh dang.
Yeah, he's not gonna be, he's not coming around to me anytime soon.
Like your mom?
Let me see. I have a whole armory right behind me.
Like your mom?
Scorpion, you literally take every single insult. All of them.
Like your mom?
You guys both want to get banned?
Like your mom?
Dude, I told you, my uncle works for Microsoft and he knows Bill Gates. So you better back off, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he may work
This
at
is
Microsoft.
comedy gold.
I'm not joking. I'm gonna get my uncle to ban you.
Yeah.
He may work at Microsoft, but that doesn't mean that does not mean that I don't know how to
No, dude.
not get banned.
No, dude. He's the leader of all the Xbox Live
He's
systems.
the leader of the Xbox.
Your uncle?
You
Yeah,
know
dude.
Street Blocks? You know what Street Blocks is?
Yeah, search him up. Yeah, search him up. His name is Bob Steve. I'm not lying. That's actually my uncle.
Billy Bob Steve!
Steve Bob
Scorpion, go to the front.
Man.
What?
Steve Bob Billy Gates. Jeez, man.
Your mom? Alright,
Dude,
Tryhard.
why are you making fun of my uncle's
What
name?
about Steven Bill? Your uncle's not Steven
Yeah,
Bill.
yeah, not cool. Not cool, man. You made it to round 0. You feel accomplished in your life. Good job, man. I'm proud of you.
Let's
No, Scorpion, his highest wave was round 5. And his highest
Oh,
wave
yeah.
by himself was round 2.
Yes, his biggest round was round 5, but his second biggest round was round 0.
Oh my
really-
gosh.
He really has come a long way.
I know, right?
You know I'm the only reason that we make it to round 20.
Like your mom.
You are? Oh, Scorpion, you went to round 20 with his mom? Wow.
No, Billy Bob Jones.
Wait, my uncle did? Wow, good job, uncle.
Good. Oh
Oh, shoot. Wait, Scorpion, I'm down. Scorpion, help, I'm down.
I'm on my way. Oh God. Oh, tell your dogs to get up.
Yeah, see? Me,
Tell your dogs to get up.
yeah, see,
We
me,
ain't got no dogs.
And let me tell you the story how you were born, Lynx. Your mom and Billy Bob went bang bang, and boom, you were born.
wait, Lynx, that means your relatives.
Your brother Lynx.
No, I'd be his cousin.
Yeah, you're his cousin, man. Congratulations.
Oh my. Why did I not fight Doug?
Lynx, I'm so proud of you, man.
No, I'm
Anyways,
not
yeah,
done.
guess
I'm not
what?
done. I'm just gonna go
Me and
up,
Scorpion just made it to round
I'm gonna
5.
and then just fight.
Wait, you said you're gonna come to my house and fight?
I'm a little 1-year-old. I'm gonna go upstairs and grab my AK-47. Then you're in trouble.
Do you
Yeah,
want to get a 223 to the face?
like your
Oh,
mom.
dang. Dude, he just threatened me. He just threatened me. Hold on. Lynx, don't make me report you to Don't make me report you to my uncle. I will report you to my uncle.
Scorpion, bless.
Yeah, and see, you're internet bullying. I'm gonna report you to my uncle. So what? You have nothing to say? Yeah, see? Cheaters never prosper.
Cheaters never prosper, huh?
Yeah, you're a bully.
Well, how is it that you consider yourself good and really make it past 15 without me?
Dude, me and Scorpion literally just made it to wave 5 without you, and your highest score was wave 0. So what are you talking about?
Oh, you're a real comedian. Why don't you just look at my combat record?
Like your mom.
Oh, your KD ratio, 0.003. Dude, that's the best KD ratio I've ever seen in my life.
First of all, no. That's basically getting 1 kill and 30 deaths. Wait. No. No, that's getting 1 kill and 300 deaths.
Come on, Lynx. Oh, for you it was 1 kill, and you had 5,000 deaths. And guess what that 1 kill was on? It was on an AFK 2-year-old.
Yeah.
Actually, I get all my kills legit.
By legit, you mean you kill 1 zombie then die? Cause dude, I have to admit you died at round 1.
There is no KD in zombies.
What are you talking about? There's always been a KD in zombies. I've seen it all my entire life. I think you're just blind.
There is no KD in zombies.
What are you talking about? Yes, there is.
No,
Oh,
dude, if you compare my
you-
kills to my
oh.
downs, you would see that I've gotten over 1 million kills. And over
So you have-
maybe 200,000
Oh,
downs.
okay. So we're talking about opposite world. I get it. Okay, you've gotten 1 kill and 1 million downs. Yeah, dude. I didn't know we were playing opposite world. All right, Lynx is by far the smartest person I've ever had to know in my life.
Yeah.
All right, Scorpion, it's your turn.
Opposite.
Let's play opposite world.
That is a fact.
Alright. You got
Let's play opposite
1
world,
million
Link.
deaths and 0 kills. Oh man, that's a real
Oh,
accomplishment.
That means he's got 1 million kills and 0 dads. Wow, that's really sad.
Your down was 1 million.
Actually, after that game, why don't you just go look, press on my gamer tag, go to my combat record, and just look at my zombie stats.
Your zombie sets? Yeah, you have action figures of zombies?
Probably does, knowing Lynx.
Yeah. He has them stored in his
Statues of
Or maybe he has zombie prostitutes.
Seems like old times, huh? Well, let's get to it.
I mean, I don't know, Lynx. You have been acting pretty weird for the past few days.
So somehow you don't report all the crazy people on game chat, but you're going to report me?
Dude, but did you hear all the stuff you just said? You are cyberbullying Scorpion.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he deserves it too, okay?
You're cyberbullying him. And you don't want me to report it? He deserves... See what I mean? He's not even taking it back.
Yeah, well, he's
Oh,
the
darn
one
it.
that goes
Didn't mean to do
down
that.
7 times in one game. That only lasts,
Your
what,
mom?
maybe 13 rounds? It's down almost every 2 rounds.
Lynx,
Yeah,
you're
he's
just being a
level 1.
tryhard.
Lynx is level 1, bless you know. It says it's opposite world, he's actually leveled 1 and he's level 1.5, 2.5.
Oh wow.
1, 2.
Wait, the opposite of 2. Oh, okay. That means he has 1.25 KD ratio. That means he has twice as many deaths as kills. Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing, man.
A 1.25.
Good job, Tryhard. You really did it.
Oh yeah, and Lynx, just so you know I was recording this.
Or deaths out of 5 kills.
Just so you know I was recording this, Lynx.
You got trolled, son.
Oh, you're trolling me, huh? Well, actually,
Yes.
how many kills do I have then?
0.
Nope. I can go, literally. Just put me in a game with Jason and Michael and then Bless.
Oh,
I
Jason.
have it on film. You only made it to round
I will
1.
get to round 50. I will probably
You
only
made
have
it-
like 6 deaths.
Dude, I've recorded it. Great. You only made it to round 1. So what do you mean,
Yes.
round 50?
I only made it to round 1
Oh,
because I was
bless
like,
you.
nope,
I think he's trying
nope,
to make
they're bad
himself
at the game.
cool.
I'm not playing with them.
I think
I
he's
only
trying to
play
make
with skill
himself look
players.
cool. That's okay. That's okay if you
Alright,
I'm-
Lynx.
survive.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this recording, Lynx. And yeah, peace.